I've been exploring the Jasper AI for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Jasper AI. So what exactly does Jasper bring to the table? At its core, Jasper unifies your entire brand experience, helping teams accelerate content velocity and automate marketing processes, all at scale. Imagine an intelligent workspace packed with tools to plan, create, collaborate, and even manage brand safety. Whether you're focused on launching campaigns quickly or ensuring every piece of content sounds distinctly like your brand, Jasper claims to do it all, and for some world-class marketing teams, it seems to deliver. Let's start with what stands out in the best way. Jasper is powered by what they call intelligent agents. These digital helpers don't just spit out content, they aim to weave in rich brand context, compliance, and even your unique voice, tone, and audience insights. For marketers, this is a game changer, especially if you're tired of content that feels generic or off-brand. Jasper speeds up the entire content lifecycle, so teams can pump out more campaign assets, review faster, and actually see more projects go live. Plus, with dedicated success managers and a supportive AI community, users aren't left to figure things out alone. If you're looking at the features, Jasper offers modules like Canvas for intuitive planning, Studio for building custom workflows, and Jasper IQ for quality control and authenticity. Each one is designed to make marketing at scale less chaotic and more effective. Jasper's approach to quality and security is also worth mentioning, with enterprise-level data protection and compliance features. But it's not all glossy. While Jasper brings a lot to the table, it's built almost exclusively for marketing teams and professionals. For businesses without a dedicated marketing function or for individual creators, Jasper might feel overwhelming or a bit too specialized. Some users might also find that the learning curve is real, especially if you're not familiar with integrating AI into your day-to-day processes. And although there's plenty of robust functionality, Jasper's advanced integrations and agentic workflows may require some initial setup and hands-on time to get right. It's also fair to say that while Jasper does a lot, there are other AI tools with broader creative features outside the marketing niche. To wrap things up, Jasper is a compelling option for businesses serious about scaling their marketing with AI. If your goal is to build campaigns that are fast, on-brand, and compliant, Jasper delivers a unified, agent-powered approach. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.